Hello, welcome to this Checkmate in 3 chess puzzle. This one was created by C.H. Wheeler in 1876. Black has the king and 2 pawns. White has the king, 2 pawns, a knight and the queen. It's White's turn. Can you see the checkmate in 3? You can get a checkmate in 4 but not 3 by advancing the b pawn. If the king moves to c4, you can check with the queen. Black king can then take the pawn. You can then check with the queen protected by the knight. After the king moves to a4, you can then move in with the knight to mate in 4, but not 3. Moving the queen to f6 only gets you a checkmate in 4. King can't move, so they have to advance the h-pawn. You can then take the pawn with the king, so the h-pawn advances again. You can then push the b-pawn. Then the knight can move in for the mate in 4. Moving the king to d1 is another mate in 4, but not 3. Black can move their king to d4. You can then move the queen to e6 to stop the king from moving to the e file. After black pushes the pawn, you can take it. King can't move, so it has to advance the h-pawn. Then finally, you can move the queen into e4 to mate in 4. Moving the king to c1 doesn't get you a mate in 3, because black can move their king to d4. After you move the queen to e6, black can advance the pawn. You can then move the queen in to check the king, but it has an escape square. So when you move the knight in, it's only a mate in 4. Okay, let's have a look at the solution to this one. So pause the video if you need some more time. Checkmate in 3 for white, you actually need to move the king to d3. Black can't move their king, so they have to advance the c-pawn. You can then take it with the king. Black then needs to move their king to d4. Then you can move in with the queen to checkmate in 3. Okay, that's in this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.